Distance learning, a term that's slowly finding its way into our everyday use as the world continues to find its footing amongst the pandemic. Nearing the end of summer, schools across the country are attempting to find ways to accommodate students while keeping their education going and socially distancing them. With masks strapped to their face, the daily hustle and bustle of a bubbly SFA seems undefeated while living in the middle of a pandemic. But given a closer look, you would see that, for half these students, the classroom isn't on campus. It's here. Their home, their apartment, their bedroom, all now a safe place for them to continue their education.
Something that I've definitely learned during this pandemic is talking to your teacher and talking to other students does help a lot. And as hard as it is to do Zoom, it's what needs to be done in order to kind of succeed. Again, like seeing those students focused, like that helps me focus. And I feel like just with the Zoom call, when you can't see other people's faces, you kind of feel like you're alone with the teacher, which gives you like kind of that scared feeling where you don't really want to ask a question.
When we asked a teacher about how distance learning can benefit a student, he replied,
"Children, but I'm still training freshmen in high school," is this idea of learned helplessness, where as soon as they get an assignment, they start raising their hand asking questions. But once you've trained that learned helplessness out of them, if they come up to a question that they just can't figure out, the ease of access to ask is faster. For the kids that have the drive, that are willing to take the initiative to say, hey, I don't understand something, and email and get a response, the ones that have that level of responsibility, distance learning can be great.
For SFASU, this is Justin Keiffer.